camp pod, and we stand between you and your bed. So we're going to try to make this quick. So I'm going to start off here first of all by welcoming everyone, and want to know if you're all of you are ready for some s'mores and some ghostly or ghastly tales by the campfire. Are you ready? This particular pod is all about summer camp, and it will send chills down your spine as you tour 6 tents that teach you all about your body. So welcome to summer camp body, where everybody learns something new. So let me introduce you to your camp counselors. Tamara Miles. Wade Tamara is the camp counselor for the parasite tent. Catherine Lawless is the counselor for the mutations tent. Judith Bunte is the camp counselor for the pedigree tent. And yours truly, Penny Gilbo, the camp counselor for the DNA tent. Each of our tents, and you can see them around the room, each of the tents focuses on some relevancy, some interactive curriculums, along with technology and some literacy. We have a wiki site that is posted on, if you're facing the pod to your far right, we have sent invitations out to everyone to actually get into the wiki, and we hope that you all do so, because there's tons of interactive information there for you. But I'm going to take you quickly through each of the tents so that you understand what all is inside the wiki itself. So the first week, campers are going to visit the DNA tent. The DNA tent is designed for interactive learning activities to help campers understand the basics of genetics. Basically how to build DNA, what the role of RNA is. They're going to look at transcription, translation, and all of these are presented in a game format to basically help the students provide the opportunity for them to personally relate to the processes that they're learning about. There are visual activities presented and supplemented with a recent article on the Triple Crown race that encourages literacy and relevancy in the learning process. Throughout the DNA tent, campers have an opportunity to earn badges along the way. They'll be able to compare those with other campers at the end of camp. Next, in tent number 2, we're going to take you to Camp Counselor Unique, who takes campers on a journey of pedigrees. There's basic information about pedigrees supplemented with interactive and visual activities that help the campers understand variations and why our phenotypes are different. Tent number 3, Camp Counselor Catherine Lawless. This tent is focusing on mutation. I think the campers will be marveled with understanding why some people will have 6 fingers and how diseases occur. Campers will also be able to collaborate with each other throughout the various activities to learn about different mutations and their causes. So when the campers come to this tent, I'm sure all you can just imagine the campers saying, ew, gross, as they learn about mutations, but they will come away with an appreciation for everyone's differences, which is encouraged. Camp Counselor Tamara Miles, Wade Tamara, she's going to introduce our campers to parasites. Here, she's going to help students understand how everything is tied together with DNA, especially the 1 million parasites that the human body hosts. Can we all say ew again? The unique contribution of DNA barcoding to the parasite taxonomy and the systematics is a great way to explore and analyze biodiversity. Knowing exactly what a parasite is will help scientists determine how prevalent they are in the world, as well as predict outbreaks and develop cures and vaccinations against some of them. So in this tip, there are going to be cartoons and videos, as well as worksheets and a research document, followed by some really vivid photos of the parasites that are in our bodies, those 1 million parasites. And of course, at the end, all of the campers are going to earn badges for completing the activities in each of the tents. And we've got those badges posted on the very back wall as you enter into the pod. Um, Throughout the final 10, well, I'm sorry, what is a camp? Of course, you got to have a doctor in the camp. So we created a hospital tent. Here, campers are exposed to various diseases and ailments, and current research to assist those individuals in their treatment. So campers are going to actually find actual cases to apply their newfound knowledge and implement it within the hospital. The final 10 is reserved for teachers. That's who we all are. Here, you will find the resources that you're going to need to help make Camp Bodies a memorable camp for years to come. There's rubric information. There's information for all of the supplemental materials that you will need to make sure that the students are engaged in Camp Bodies. Now, what's really important for everyone, if you have questions, we're going to have each of the camp counselors in the various tents answer your questions, but it's really important for the wiki that you log into the wiki to see the information there. Invitations have been sent to all of you, and I hope you all please take advantage and jump out to the wiki to grab all these great resources ready for you. Any questions for the camp counselors?
Yeah, I really like this idea. I mean, there's so many programs up here that could use that. This whole summer camp idea. What a great idea in terms of getting kids really interested in kind of having everything more like a free spirit idea, but a really a good approach to learning. Yeah, I really like the theme a lot.
I think you ladies are very timely in so many ways, and we really will go back to your wiki because you've got a lot of good resources. So it behooves us all to be sure we get the password from you. So I want to thank you and everybody.
Maybe Tamara could give us some more information about logging into. Tamara, are you there?
Yes, I am. Hi, everyone. I sent out an email invitation to the wiki about a week ago. When you got it, it would have said, come join our PD Works team. Probably looks like junk mail. If you guys have it, in there is a link that you need to click that says to verify now, and it brings you right to our website.
Can you resend it, Tamara?
It won't allow me to resend it once I've already sent it to people. I can give people that haven't been there yet a temporary password if anybody wants it.
Great.
Well,
Unfortunately, no, you can't open it to the world.